will make minced meat with tofu. Fry chopped ginger. Add minced meat and stir fry. Add mushrooms and saute. Add 2 tablespoons water. Seasoning at taste. Add dark soy sauce to add color. Stir-fry mushroom minced meat is done. Pour out tofu blanched with hot water and set aside. Tofu. Garnish tofu with mushroom minced meat. Drizzle few drops of sesame oil. Mushroom minced meat tofu is done within 2 minutes. Tofu is flavorful with mushroom minced meat. It's appetizing.
Yay!
Share this delicious recipe with your family. They will love it too. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.